Hello everyone. How to solve the value of x and y in three basic ways, right? Firstly, everyone can see we have the first way. Everyone look at that. We need to move y square term to the other side, right? So therefore we can get x power 20, yes, equals 2y minus y square. So you can rewrite y is a common factor, 2 minus y. Yes? Everyone can see that because x power 20 is the even power. Therefore, we also have x power 20 is greater than or equals 0 for all of x, right? So therefore we can have on the other side here y 2 minus y is greater than or equals 0 right? We need to put it on inequality. Yes, for the inequality here we have two cases for that. Case number 1, we need to have y is greater than or equals 0 and 2 minus y is greater than or equals 0, right? And then for case number 2, we can have y is smaller than or equals 0 and 2 minus y is also smaller than or equals 0, yes? Yeah. So therefore for case number 1, we can have y is greater than or equals 0 and y is smaller than or equal 2. So therefore we can have y is greater than or equal 0 and is smaller than or equal 2. For case number 1, because x and y are integers, right here, therefore we have some value of y. Yeah, y equals 0 and y equals 1 and y equals 2. We have three cases of y, yes? And then for case number 2, we also have y is smaller than or equals 0. And for the inequality, we can have y is greater than or equal 2. So for the system of inequality here is undivided, right? Undivided, yes? So therefore we just only have for case number 2. So this case number 1. We have for firstly y equals 0. Y equals 0, so therefore we can replace for the original equation here. We can say x power 20, right? Plus 0 square equals 2 times 0. So therefore you can say x power 20 equals 0. Therefore we have the value of x equals 0, yes? First we have a pair of x and y. Firstly x equals 0, y equals 0, yeah? One solution. And next one, when y equals 1 here, we also have x power 20 plus 1 square equals 2 times 1. Therefore we can say x power 20 equals 2 minus 1 equals 1. Yes, because x here is the even number. Therefore we have x has two values. X equals 1 minus 1 and x equals 1, right? So we have two pairs of x and y. Firstly, when x equals 1, y equals 1, 2. And when x equals minus 1, y equals also 1. Yeah? So we have two more solutions. And next, for the last, y equal 2. Therefore, we can say x power 20 plus 2 square equals 2 times 2. And so we can have x power 20 equals 4 minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0. So we have one more pair solution. X equals 0 and y equals 2. Yes? For first way, we can find 4 pairs of x and y. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes? Second way, everyone can see because x power 20, right, and y square are perfect squares because they are integers, right? So they are both non-negatives, right? Yeah, non-negative. It means that x power 20 plus y squared, they are both non-negative, right? It means, everyone can see, it means y squared plus a non-negative number equal to y, right? Means that y squared is less than or equal to y. So you need to move y squared, yes, on the other side. Therefore, we can say 2y minus y squared, yes, is greater than or equals 0. Yes, so y 2 minus y is greater than or equals 0 too. So everyone look at the first way here. Yeah, we also have y. Yes, for the inequality here is the same, right? The same is the number 1 inequality. So we also have four solutions. 4 solutions lie for the first way. Yeah, 4 solutions, right? So because it's the same inequality, so we need to slide for the first way here. So and next one, we need to move on the third way. Yes, for the third way, everyone can do. Firstly, you can see y squared plus x power 20, right? 2 minus 2y equals 0. Yes, it means that it is a quadratic equation, right? You can say equals 4 minus 4x power 20, right? So because you need to find the real solutions, x and y integers, so here is have to greater than or equals 0. So therefore we can say minus 4x power 20 is greater than or equals minus 4. Therefore we can say x power 20 is less than or equals 1. You need to divide both sides by minus 4. You need to change size of the number, right? Size here. And next one. 4, because x is integers, therefore we need to have x equals 1 or x equals plus or minus x equals 0. or x equals plus or minus 1? Yes, so for case number 1, x equals 0, right? So we have the original equation x power 20 plus y squared equals 2y. So we can say 0 power 20 plus y squared equals 2y. Y squared minus 2y equals 0. Y minus 2 equals 0 2. Y equals 0 or y minus 2 equals 0 2. So therefore we have y equals 0 and y equal 2, right? In this case, for x equals 0, we have two values of y. So we have 0, y equals 0, and next one x equals 0. So y equals 2. Yes. And so for case 2, x equals 1 plus or minus 1. Because everyone can see is the even powers. Therefore when x equals plus or minus 1, we have the same values, right? So we can have plus or minus 1 power 20 plus y squared equals 2y. Yes, so we can say it has the value 1 plus y squared minus 2y equals 0. So is the identity. Y plus minus 1 whole power square equals 0. Right? So we can have the value of y equals 1. Yes? So everyone can see for x equals 1. We have y equals 1 2. And for x equals minus 1, we have y equals 1 2. So we also have 4 solutions for the third square. Here. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Love you all. Bye bye.